Hello everyone, we are Group 7. Today we will talk about paneth cells living in your small intestine. They are one of your body's key defenders. First, let's talk about where they are located. Paneth cells are found in the small intestine, specifically deep at the bottom of structures called the crypt of Lieberkühn. The crypts are like little pockets in the intestinal lining. They sit right next to the intestinal stem cells, which constantly produce new cells for the intestinal surface. Now, what do they look like? Paneth cells are easy to identify under a microscope because of their large, bright pink or red granules when stained with H&E. These granules are where all their defensive weapons are stored. They are exocrine cells, meaning they release substances outside of the cell into the intestinal lumen. Why are they so important? Let's move on to their main function, their biological role. The main role of paneth cells is to maintain the intestinal barrier and homeostasis, keeping the gut balanced. They do this by secreting a powerful mix of antimicrobial peptides (AMPs) and other protective proteins. The most important AMPs are alpha defensins. These defensins act like natural antibiotics by poking holes in bacterial cell membranes to kill them. Lysozyme is also an enzyme secreted by paneth cells that hydrolyzes the cell walls of bacteria. By secreting these, paneth cells kill harmful pathogens while protecting good bacteria, ensuring the microbiota stays healthy and stable. Paneth cells can also have a special connection with the intestinal stem cells. Paneth cells secrete growth factors such as epidermal growth factor (EGF), which helps the stem cell survive and regenerate the intestinal lining. So they are not just defenders, they are also supporters of intestinal health. In summary, paneth cells are found deep in the crypts of Lieberkühn, and their primary role is to be the frontline defense of the small intestine by secreting antimicrobial peptides, keeping the gut safe and balanced. Thank you for watching.